Hi, I'm Jamie Pullen of Custom AV Distribution. We are an AV distributor supplying products and services to our dealer network here in the UK. At CAVD, we are working with some of the best brands in the world. Since I started the company, I've always wanted our brands to be aesthetically pleasing as well as high performance. When we think about representing a brand or manufacturer, we have to consider it carefully. Business for me has always been about the people too. We have a wealth of experience internally here at CAVD, but when I think about some of the manufacturers we represent, there's literally decades of experience there. I feel like we've got an army behind us, a wealth of knowledge. We should all draw upon that experience. We're based in the beautiful town of Marlow on the River Thames, just 30 minutes west of London. All of our brands are represented here to look and sound at their very best in a controlled environment. We welcome you and your client to come along and experience what these products can do. They're incredible. Naturally, as a distributor, we keep as much stock as we can here in the UK. Our reputation is incredibly important to us. I know your reputation is incredibly important to you too, so you can trust us to work together and deliver on your projects.
I'm Wayne Hyde and I'm the Technical Manager here at Custom AV Distribution. In 2005, I left the world of live audio and moved into hi-fi and custom installation. As an AV integrator, you have to know about a lot of different technologies that go into the home that you're working on. And of course, audio and video, they're a small but very important part of that. We're here to answer your questions and help specify the right products to deliver your project. As you get close to delivering your project to the client, you of course need to make sure it's sounding and looking its best. That's where again CAVD can help with our calibration services.
If you're a custom installer looking for great products, service, knowledge and support, please reach out to us.